In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to activate two-factor authentication in TikTok. If you want to learn more about 2FA or two-factor authentication, please check this playlist on this YouTube channel. You simply need to click on the profile icon. Now you need to click on the three bars on top of your profile. Click on them and then go to settings and privacy, security and permissions. And then you need to click on the two-step verification. Right now it is off. I need to turn it on. Click on it. TikTok doesn't allow you to tick or use the authenticator app and leave the phone and email out. It requires you to verify all the three. So I need to turn on and then I need to input my number. I'll wait for the code to arrive. Okay, here it is. I need to I'll copy and then I'll paste it here. Okay, and TikTok will automatically verify the account. Now, it will take me to authenticator. I need to copy the key, copy key, and then next. I need to go to my authenticator app. You might see a black screen, but you need to tap on the add icon on your Google Authenticator. Add and then set up key. Your key, I'll paste my key here, and then time based and then add. So 160, 526. Go back to TikTok and paste 526. And then I'll add device. And that is it. You can see that the phone verification is on, the email verification is on, and authenticator is on. No one can log in into your account without your permission. Subscribe for more productivity tips.